Welcome back to CAD with Mr. Hew. In today's video, we'll be constructing a regular hexagon given the diameter, right? Now, the diameter is also referred to as across the flats dimension, and I'll show you in a little while what I mean. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna draw a construction line, okay? So we're gonna turn on snap. I'm going to draw a construction line right here. Enter. All right. We need to change this line and put it on the 0 layer. Okay. Good. All right. So here we have our construction line. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to draw a circle equal to 80 millimeters, right? So we're going to draw a circle, center, and the radius will be 40 millimeters. Enter. This can be easily done using your traditional instruments. And because you're constructing a hexagon today, it will be very easy to use a T-square and set square, all right? All right, what we're gonna do on our AutoCAD, we can use a different way to do it, but I'm gonna show you how you would do it with your traditional instruments. So what we would do, we can draw a line here, there, enter. And what we can do, we can move this line, enter. Base point will be the midpoint. Let's turn off snap. Will be the midpoint here. I'm gonna turn on right. Okay. Now we're gonna put this line, which is a construction line, on the layer 0. All right. What we can do, we can copy this line, put it at the top. If you're on the using the traditional instruments, you would do slide your T-square up to the top here, okay? Enter. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna draw a line that is 60 degree and then move it and put it on the hexagon to touch the circle tangential. So here we go. We're gonna draw a line. Gonna turn off ortho. This line, the length of the line, we're going to make it taller than what we need and then we trim it after. So we're going to make it, change this to layer 0. I'm going to go line. We're going to draw a line here, 50 millimeters long, and the angle will be 60 degrees. Enter. All right. What we're going to do on our AutoCAD is move it. All right. So we're going to copy it, not move, copy, enter. Base point, we're going to go tangential, there, tangential, there, enter. We're going to draw another construction line this side. We're going to draw another construction line this way. The length will be 50 millimeters and the angle would be 120 degrees. Enter. All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to copy it and put it here. So copy, enter, base point, midpoint. I'm going to come there, enter. All right. So what we're going to do is extend this, enter. What we're going to do now, we're going to delete these two lines, which are the construction lines. So we're going to delete this. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to trim the corners, all right? So we're going to go trim, going to trim there, trim there, trim, 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 enter. All right, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna put these lines on the outline layer to make them dark. So if you was using the traditional instruments, these would be dark with your 3H pencil or your 2H pencil. So we'll go outline, here it is, right? So we're gonna indicate this distance. So we're gonna measure this measurement and this measurement. There it is, 80 millimeters. Now we're gonna type dim style, STY, enter. We're gonna go to modify, and under the fit tab, we're gonna change from 1 to 2, enter. When we press OK and close, the 80 will be bigger, all right? So this distance is called the across flat. So let me label it for you. So we're gonna go linear. I'm gonna make this distance enter. So this is called the across flats. All right, so this distance is called the across flats. All right, so let us label it now. So we're gonna go multi-line text. Gonna measure here. All right, so this is to construct a regular hexagon given the diameter, and in bracket we put across flats. Right, so you would probably see this in a multiple choice question. You put on the bracket here. All right, so good job if you got it correct, right? So this is a circle, 80 millimeters, and it is also the across flats, and this is our hexagon. So good job if you got it correct. In the next video, we'll be looking at how to construct a polygon given the length of a side. All right, so we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.